Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable announcements on your iPhone. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You just click on your name here or your profile, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on name and phone numbers and email. So then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to announcements, click in this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean announcements disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.